Hello friend, welcome to our channel Economics Study Point. In this video, I will discuss Marshallian and Hicksian demand function in a single video. And we are going to derive Marshallian demand function and Hicksian demand function for commodity X1, X and commodity Y from a simple utility function. You can see it is the first part, that is type 1 utility, and later on my next video will cover other type of utility function. So first you can see maximize utility, which is the function of x and y equal to x and y, and subject to budget constraint price of x into x plus price of y into y equal to m, where m is income of consumer, px and py representing prices of commodity x and x and y representing quantity demanded of goods x and y respectively. As we know, according to Marshallian utility analysis, in this video I am not covering method of Lagrangian. If you comment, I will try to make video how to derive Marshallian and Hicksian demand function through Lagrangian method. Okay, I will adopt and I will use here one very simple method, okay, for derivation of Marshallian and Hicksian demand function in this video. According to Marshallian utility analysis, Marshallian utility analysis, according to Marshallian utility analysis, everyone we know marginal utility of x mu x marginal utility of y equal to ratio of their price, that is price of x by price of y. Okay, and questions arise here how mu x and mu y are calculated. It is a very simple. Your utility function given in this question is xy. Just we need to take partial derivative of utility function with respect to x, which yield us marginal utility of x, mu x. So very simple. Value is coming y. If we take partial derivative of u with respect to x, which yield y. Similarly, if we take partial derivative of utility with respect to y, which yield mu y, very simple, x coming, it is marginal utility of y, because we have taken partial derivative of u with respect to y. Here we have taken partial derivative of y with respect to x, that's the y. It has yielded marginal utility of x. Clear? Substitute the value of mu x and mu y. Okay, here mu x equal to y, mu y equal to x equal to price of x by price of y. By doing cross multiplication, we get price of y into y equal to price of x into x. Very simple. With given this relation, we are in position to get the values of x and y respectively. Okay, what relationship got price of y into y equal to price of x into x? Therefore, x equal to price of y by price of x, and y equal to price of y into y by price of hmm, price of x into x by price of y. Okay, here we got the value of x and y. Substituting the value of y in buzzer constant, in buzzer constant, in buzzer constant. If we are interested to get Marshallian demand function for commodity X, we need to substitute the value of Y. You know, what is the budget constant? It is a given in this questions. Price of X into X plus price of Y into Y equal to M. Price of X into X, price of Y, what value for Y? Price of X into X by price of Y equal to M. This price of y in numerator and another price of y in denominator is cancelled. By adding these two terms, we get price of x into x equal to m. Therefore, x equal to m by 2 times price of x. This is the Marshallian demand function for goods x. Okay, it is Marshallian demand function is also known as a ordinary demand function. Ordinary demand function. Okay, Walrasian demand function, Walrasian demand function, and uncompensated demand function. All these names are given to Marshallian demand function. Another name for Marshallian demand function. And similarly, we can get Marshallian demand function for commodity Y. We need to substitute the value of X in budget constraint. Budget constraint, price of X into X plus price of Y into Y equal to M. And what value we got for X here? Price of X into price of Y into Y by price of Y. Say X plus price of y into y equal to m. Price of x cancel 2 times price of y into y equal to m. Therefore, y equal to m by 2 times price of y. This is this is the Marshallian demand function for commodity y we got. Okay, and next my target is getting Hicksian demand function. You can see Marshallian demand function, which is the function of price and income of consumer. Okay, and now we have to see Hicksian demand function, how we can derive it. X and y, and this value will play vital role getting the value of Hicksian demand function for commodity x and y. Okay, that's the why I have an erased. According to Marshallian utility analysis, we have a seen previously. And according to indifference curve analysis, marginal rate of substitution of x for y equal to ratio of prices. From equation 1 to we can put it MRS xy equal to mu x by mu y equal to ratio of their price. It can be written by adding from equation 1 and 2. Okay, both are equal to ratio of their price. That's the why mu x by mu y must be equal to mrs xy. Okay, with this given relationship, we can got the value of x and y here previously. Okay, now it becomes very simple to enjoy Hicksian demand function for commodity x and y. And previously, in order to get Marshallian demand function for commodity x and y, we substituted the value of x and y in budget constraint. But now we are interested to find out derivation of Hicksian demand function. We have to substitute the value of x and y in fixed level of utility. X and y equal to fixed level of utility because utility is maximized. Okay. Now, if we are interested to get Hicksian demand function for commodity X, we need to substitute the value of Y. Okay. So X and what value? We got for Y is price of X into X by price of Y, okay, equal to fixed level of utility. Therefore, x into x, x square, price of x by price of y equal to fixed level of utility. By doing cross multiplication, x square price of x equal to fixed level of utility into price of y. Therefore, x square price of x equal to fixed level of utility times price of y, x square equal to fixed level of utility price of y by, here it is a multiply with x square. Okay, if it move to RHS side, it has to divide to, okay, price of x. Here x square, therefore x all coming under under root, that is the fixed level of utility to the power half, price of y to the power half, price of x to the power half. Okay, it can be written xh, Hicksian demand function for commodity, fixed level of utility, price of y by price of x, whole power 1 by 2, which is the function of fixed level of utility, prices of commodity. Okay, similarly we can get Hicksian demand function for commodity y. We need to substitute the value of x. Okay. We need to substitute the value of x equal to fixed level of utility. What value we got for x is a price of y into y by price of x into price into y equal to fixed level of utility. Price of y into y, y square, by doing cross multiplication, fixed level of utility times price of x. Y square equal to fixed level of utility, price of x by price of y. Therefore, Hicksian demand function for commodity y equal to fixed level of utility to the power half, price of x to the power half. Okay, price of y to the power half. It can be written fixed level of utility, price of x, price of y, whole power 1 by 2. This is the Hicksian demand function for commodity x and y. And Hicksian demand function is also known compensated demand function. Okay, it is another name is given to Hicksian demand function. I hope everybody got the concept I discussed in a single video. I have a cover Marshallian and Hicksian demand function. Okay, very simple way. And please subscribe. I request you subscribe and share my video as much as you can. If please give like, okay, and make comment which inspire me to video like this. And thanks for watching my video till end. Jai Hind.